Click here. Change the frame to the small frame. Click OK. And go to embroidery. Click the font. And click here. And I'm going to click J. I know small, and they look so tiny, like I can't even see. So I'm just make it really big. The biggest is 200, and now I'm gonna put lowercase J O S H U A. See? Alright, so I'm click set, and I'm gonna change the side. I'll move it there. You know what? Let me move it more towards the middle. I'll just leave it there. Okay. Click. Edit embroidery. Okay, say I have to move to a larger frame, so it's not gonna work. So I'll say okay. Okay, so right now I'm using the smaller hoop frame to see if I could get it to work. So right now I have the same name that I wanted to use, and when I press this button here, it was telling me I have to change to a larger hoop size. But when I move it towards away from the line, let's see if it's gonna work. It's still telling me the same thing, so let me put it in the center. Okay, so it's gonna work, and it's lighted green, so I'm gonna return. So what happened was, at first I had it too close to the line, so that's why it wasn't working. I'm gonna see if it's gonna still work. Okay, it's the same thing. So you cannot have it too close to the line, or it's not gonna work. It's gonna ask for a bigger hoop. Okay, so now it's working, but I put it a little further away from the line, so it does work. You gotta make sure it's not too close to the line. So I just wanna add that in.